Today marks a major milestone in the State Route 99-120 connector project by the San Joaquin Council of Governments. We are installing the final girder for the new Austin Road overcrossing, bringing us one step closer to the finish line on a project that's going to change how our region moves. This is what delivering safer, less congested roadways for our community looks like. The project improves one of Northern California's busiest and most important interchanges, where more than 180,000 vehicles travel every day. Installing the final girder completes the structural foundation of the new overcrossing. It means crews can move into the next stages of building a roadway. The project remains on schedule to finish in the summer of 2026. SJCOG believes your patience through this construction means everything, and it's about to pay off. The State Route 99-120 connector will deliver the safer, more reliable travel experience that commuters and businesses deserve. Don't miss out on our project updates. Visit our website to get construction alerts sent straight to you.